Cheers. It's nice. Sour, sweet. Good evening mga kabunso and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Mga kabunso, my name is Edwin and I am your bartender. So mga kabunso, for tonight, I'm gonna show you how to make a Tom Collins cocktail. So Tom Collins cocktail, you need these all items for your cocktail. So you need this gin and sugar syrup and lemon juice and of course soda water. So if you're gonna have a gin beefeater, you can use any kind of gin like Gordon gin, for the Philippines, Ginebra, San Miguel gin, Tanqueray gin, any kind of gin you have, but only gin. And you need also sugar and jigger and calling glass or highball glass. So you need a Tom Collins glass. So, and of course garnish. So mga kabunso, let's do this for Tom Collins cocktail. Let's start. So mga kabunso, I make it full of ice, the highball glass or calling glass. So here we go. First step. So 60 ml of gin, 60 ml or 2 shots, 1 shots, 2 shots, 60 ml of gin and 25 ml of sugar syrup and 25 ml of lemon juice and ice. And mga kabunso, I like to shake it, baby. Mga kabunso, for your shaking, it's only 8 to 10 seconds only for the cooling your alcohol. And you can see mga kabunso, there is a water because of the ice, and then ice is very fast to become melting. So that water you cannot throw away. And then that's it. And you can pour your cocktail to the highball glass and fill up with the soda water. Oh, also. And just stir it. There we go, almost done. And don't forget your garnish. Also, I use the garnish lemon wheel for the simple garnish. Simple and nice garnish. And your straw. So here we go. Mga kabuso, your Tom Collins cocktail is ready. Cheers! So mga kabuso, once again, thank you very much for watching. And please don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel, and don't forget also to share to all your friends my my cocktails. So, once again, this is my favorite time. My tasting time. Cheers! It's nice. Sour, sweet, and what you call this one? And nice taste. Ano mo? Nice. Mga kabuso, your Tom Collins cocktail is ready. Cheers!